Hello students, today our topic is your characteristic of PN junction diode, and in today lecture we will discuss about your VI characteristic of PN junction diode, and we can plot on your multisim software. First of all, I will discuss about your characteristic and how it formed and what is your circuit. I am sharing you a whiteboard. Here. In VI characteristic of PN junction diode, first of all we take a diode. This is a symbol of PN junction diode, and this is a positive part of diode, and this is your negative. When we connect positive with positive terminal of battery and negative terminal of diode with connected with negative terminal battery, that is known as your forward bias condition. ठीक है जी, this is known as forward bias condition. जब हमारे पास क्या है, पॉजिटिव कनेक्ट कर दिया, नेगेटिव कनेक्ट कर दिया, दैट इज योर फॉरवर्ड बायस कंडीशन. एंड व्हेन वी कनेक्ट this is your diode and negative with positive, when positive terminal of diode is connected with negative terminal of battery and negative terminal diode is connected with the positive terminal of battery, that is known as your reverse bias. And today experiment we will discuss about your VI characteristic of PN junction diode. ठीक है जी, today we will discuss about your VI characteristic of PN junction diode. And internal working, you already know that this is your internal circuit of PN junction diode. This is your P-type semiconductor and N-type semiconductor. As you know that the majority of the P-type semiconductor is your holes, and minority type of P-type semiconductor in your electrons. Same as it is in N-type, majority carries your electrons and minority carries your holes. First, we discuss about your forward bias condition. In this, we connect positive terminal of diode is connected with positive terminal of battery, and negative connect is with negative terminal of battery. In this case, holes are positively charged, and this is your positive potential. So holes are positively charged, this both are same polarity, so holes apply force in inner side. Holes apply force in inner side as shown in your displays. Same as it is, this is your negative terminal of battery and electrons are negatively charged, so both are same polarity and it apply force in inner side. In this case, the depletion layer is thin. So electrons and holes get recombine at that point. Okay, this is your forward bias condition. Or diode needs, in practical case, diode needs some voltage to on the circuit, to flow the circuit, that is told as knee voltage. Knee voltage. In the case of germanium and silicon, in the case of germanium, the knee voltage is 0.3, and in the case of silicon, the knee voltage is 0.7. This is your forward bias condition. And in reverse bias condition, the this is your internal circuit of diode. P-type and N-type semiconductor is connected. P is connected with your negative terminal of battery and N is connected with your positive terminal of battery. This is a case of reverse bias. So majority carrier in P-type is holes and minority is your electrons. Same as it is in N-type semiconductor, majority is your electrons and minority is your holes. This is your negative terminal of battery and holes are positively charged, so that all our holes are attract with your positive terminal of battery, so it apply force at outer side. Same as it is, this is your positive terminal of battery and electrons are negatively charged, both are different polarity, so it apply force in outer side. Due to that, the potential barrier is increased. This is your barrier is increased, and there is no current flow in reverse bias. There is no current flow in reverse bias. In the forward case, forward bias, current can flow easily. This is your symbol of your PN junction diode we already discussed. This is your positive and this is your negative. Or we can plot a graph between your voltage and current. Wait a moment here. We can plot a graph between voltage and current. This is your voltage and current. We increase the voltage. This is your variable voltage. We increase the voltage. Suppose 0.2, then 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, 1.0. Same it is. We can observe the value of current and each point. With the help of these values, we can plot a graph just like this. This is your forward bias, graph of forward bias. Here is your voltage, and at this part, here is your current. And this is your reverse bias. This is your graph of VI theta, this is your PN junction diode. Now we can observe the graph on your software. That name is Multisim. Wait a moment, I am sharing your software Multisim.
सर किसी का माइक ऑन है.
वेट अ मोमेंट, कोई बात नहीं. आपका मल्टीसिम शो हो रहा है सबको? Okay. First of all, we'll take a diode. This is your software, and we take a diode from here. This is your PN junction diode. Just click OK, and we put here on diode. Now we use a power supply, and this is your power supply. By right clicking on your power supply, there is 90-degree phase shift. We can provide phase shift. Now we can connect positive with your positive terminal of your battery and negative with your negative terminal of battery. Double click on your power supply, reduce your voltage. Now go to stimulator and this. Increase the voltage up to 3 volt. 0.2, output is this, add it. Okay, then go for same position. Apply. Okay, so there is a pop-up message is that we are not apply a ground on this circuit. So just let here is a ground. Just apply a ground here and again try to stimulate. As is shown in the figure, there is a graph of forward bias of VI characteristic of PN junction diode. Your voltage, first voltage is increasing. After that, at particular time, voltage current start rapidly increase and voltage slowly increase. This is your graph of PN junction diode. Okay, thank you.